right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, I got a question for you. Do you work at a dealership? How's your parts department like? Do your people actually know what the hell they're doing? Or do they suck? Chances are, if you're in Atlanta, your parts people probably suck. This is a shop that does a lot of OEM parts. We have a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, and in a lot of cases, we have to go OEM, which, you know, stock being what it is, can sometimes be a royal pain in the butt. But the other problem is they can't even ship us parts with the right invoice. I had a oil leak on a Honda, you know, replacing the VTEC solenoid, the oil control valve, the spool valve, because, well, they were leaking heavily. You know, I did a front cover reseal, you know, nothing real major. And, well, I didn't work on the car for almost a week because waiting on those valves that they lost. Guess what? They were here. They invoiced them from a ticket from 2 years ago. It's like, you know, we've had instances where they send 1 instead of 4 parts. We've had instances where parts just, oh, well, I don't know. You know, we had one instance where a part was supposed to be coming from Germany, Audi. Car sat here for 4 weeks. They said, we don't have an ETA. Sorry, no good, no, you know, nothing. And then it shows up the next day. Parts are really becoming a pain in the butt. I mean, it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. You know, I'm going to be at STX in a couple weeks and I get to bitch out a bunch of part suppliers because they don't have stock in Atlanta. What do you mean I got to FedEx in a part from New York for a car that we've done 47 times this month? You know, even Worldpac. It's the stock in Worldpac's Atlanta warehouses has gone up. I mean, you know, simple things. Yeah, we got 1 of those. You need 2. Sorry. That Honda. 2 timing cover O-rings. I put 2 on the ticket. They only had 1. They should be 1. Yeah. We had to send our porter to Honda to get an O-ring. Let me know how your part situation is because it just keeps getting worse. But specifically, how are the people in your parts department? Are the parts people doing their job or do they suck? You know, when I used to call for parts at dealerships, I had 1, maybe 2 guys I asked for. I've told this story many times. Not on this channel, I don't think, but there's a Ford dealership where my shop was, and there was 3 really good parts guys there. 1 guy that was completely useless. And you'd pick up the phone, he'd answer, because he was always available. You'd ask, is, you know, this guy here? No, he's busy. He's at lunch. Go through the list of the other 3 guys, and you're like, all right, thanks, I'll call back. And you'd call back later. Because, I mean, just simple stuff you could not find. You know, you could literally give him the part number, and he'd struggle to find the part. Ford dealership, and you go, oh, I need 3 DG508 coils. What? DG508. That'd be a coil for a 2-valve 5.4. Yeah, I've done enough of them that I know the part number by heart. So anyway, thanks for watching. I know this is a ranty video and I've made it before, but it just sucks more. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.